guys, Muskan here. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I'm gonna talk about the Huda Beauty's false eyelashes here, the dupe ones. So yes, I'm gonna review about that product, how it is and all. So let's not waste the time and directly jump into the video. Yes guys, so first of all let's talk about its packaging, how I received the product. So this is how I received the product in this box packaging, and this is a cardboard box. And also I received total 10 pairs of eyelashes with 2 eyelashes glue, and also I received this eyelash color right here. So this is my first ever purchase. I haven't used any eyelash color before, so this is my first purchase. So I'm quite impressed with this. Its quality is really good. And let's talk about the actual product. It is, so these are the lashes I received, and all lashes are in same size. If you want, you can order from Amazon. There you'll be getting 10 eyelashes pairs which are in different sizes. So yeah, it's up to you. And I received this in this plastic sheet right here. So this is how it looks. So you have to peel it. So I'll just show you. So you just have to peel it like this. So this is how it looks. So I bought a very kind of fuller looking lashes. So yeah, and I have used this before, like after receiving the product, and I was quite impressed with this. I'm liking it. And talking about its quality is really good, and it's not that heavy. It's very lightweight and it's not very irritating, and so you can easily wear this for like any occasion, or if you're going to any event, then you can obviously use this one. So yeah. Yes guys, this is the eyelash glue I was talking about. So I received two, and it says it blends with black or brown lashes, clear white. Yeah, and the glue is in white in color, but it it just blends with eyelash, so it doesn't really look bad at all. And here you'll get that how to use instructions and all. So I'll show you in demo how you can apply these lashes. So let's get into demo guys. Now first of all, if you want to apply any eyelashes or any falsies, so it's always good to have one tweezer like this. So I recently bought this from my local market, from my nearest local market. And let me just try this because I'm just trying this for the first time, so I don't know how to use it. So yeah, let me just take this glue. Yes guys, so this is how it looks. And so you just want very little amount, so I'm just you can see, just taking a very little amount, as you can see. And now to spread it evenly, I'm gonna use any brush. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna just spread it like this, as you can see. Sorry. So I'm gonna just spread it like this, and I'm gonna hold it like this for say around 30 seconds, because it will be easier for you to apply like this. So just hold it for 30 seconds like this. Yes guys, so it's done, I guess. So this is how it is looking right now. So just hold it like this, and you have to use your tweezer here, just press it like this, and you have to just place it on your eyelids, just like this. Okay, so now just set it. Guys, it takes time because I'm not a pro, but I'm just learning it. But still, if you have a tweezer, it will be more easy for you to apply this. Yes guys, so this is how it is looking. So I'll just apply the second one. Don't take too much because it will, you know, I'll just show you. So it will drip here on your eyelashes and it looks really bad. So just take brush and apply this evenly. And make sure you're applying this more on the ends, so that way it sticks really good. Yeah, so again the same trick, you have to hold it like this for 30 seconds. Yes guys, again you have to follow same trick. Just place it like this. Let me just use my mirror. Oh, it is sticked here. Okay, so see, this is very easy. I mean, when you use tweezer, it is really easy to place this eyelash. Yes guys, so this is how it is looking. Yeah, so be careful guys, it is a bit tricky, but when you keep on practicing, you'll just learn one day. So even like I'm just learning it, so I know this is not looking that perfect, but it takes time and you just have to place it very kind of, you know, precisely. I mean, both eyelashes should look even. Yeah, so I guess now it is looking good. Yes guys, so this is how the falsies are looking, and I think it is looking pretty gorgeous. So and I'm really sorry, I'm very bad at posing, but I'm just trying it you know, just to show you how it is looking. But anyways, I just wanted to mention one thing, that if you're a beginner or if you just want to try falsies for the first time, and if you're planning to buy these falsies, I would recommend you to buy this from Club Factory app. I'm not sponsoring it, but just because you'll get a very a kind of great deal over there, because I bought these complete 10 pairs of eyelashes and 2 eyelash glues and 1 eyelash color just for 220 bucks, which is great deal I guess guys, because you know, once I bought this eyelash for the first time when I was in degree, and I remember I bought this for 60 rupees. One eyelash pair was 60 rupees. It costed me 60 rupees, but I never really tried it. I just bought it, but I never really tried it. And you know, it comes in that heart shape. I don't remember the company's name, but it comes in heart shape, and it costed me around 60 rupees. And you know, I think this is really great deal, because in 200 rupees you're getting these all things. I mean, 2 eyelash glues, and this glue is really good guys. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any update. And please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones, and please support me. I need your more support and love. And yes, and don't if you're planning to buy these lashes, then please go and check Club Factory app, and you'll be getting more like amazing deals over there. I think this is the best deal, so go and grab it. So yes, spread love. Bye.